Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a revised partnership return. First, you need to pinpoint the exact errors on your original Form 1065. This could involve incorrect income, deductions, or partner information. Next, confirm that an amended return is the correct procedure for your specific situation. Finally, collect all necessary supporting documents and records that justify the changes you plan to make. This preparation ensures a smooth and accurate amendment process. There are several common reasons why a partnership might need to file a revised return. Perhaps you discovered a mathematical error or an omission after the initial filing. Maybe there were adjustments needed to a partner's capital account, or perhaps the partnership's overall income changed. It's crucial to address these issues promptly to maintain compliance and ensure accurate financial reporting for all partners involved. To amend your partnership return, you will typically use Form 1065X, Amended Return, or Administrative Adjustment Request. This form allows you to correct most errors on a previously filed Form 1065. Be sure to clearly explain each change you are making and the reason for it. Submitting your revised return promptly helps avoid potential penalties and ensures your records are up to date with the IRS. When filing a revised return, always be mindful of the statute of limitations, which generally allows 3 years from the date you filed the original return or 2 years from the date you paid the tax, whichever is later. For more complex situations, consulting a qualified tax professional is highly recommended to ensure accuracy and compliance. Also, for a great way to simplify your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.